Hey friends, I restocked some more cord. I think there's about 15 new bundles of cord in here, although only one of them is a brand new cord or color than what I've had already. So probably will be a quick one today, but what we're restocking today is some more black. Got 200 feet of that because I always seem to need a little bit more black. A graphite gray, which is kind of just a medium gray. I do have lighter and I have darker, but we want more medium gray, so we got it. Dark Nights is mostly a black cord with a little bit of a dark gray pixelated pattern throughout. Black and white lines. Currently the one that I have, they call it silver and black stripes or whatever. So black and white lines is what we have now. Stryker, which is kind of a speckled and a line pattern together. It's got some olive drab, some tan, black, and a little bit of like a silver type gray in there also. Dark Stripes is basically a rainbow pattern with some black lines throughout that as well. Nice, vibrant, but kind of still like a neutral. It's not super bright of a rainbow, but Undead is one of the kind of like zombie Halloween type colors that I've had. Mostly a black with some neon green and purple. The new color that I got was also kind of inspired by a Halloween color. This one is called Dark Matter. It has also neon green and purple, but some kind of like black pixelated spirals that kind of go throughout that as well. And Doubloon is mostly some yellow, a golden yellow, black, and whites. And actually the next one we have is the same type of pattern, but in the blue color scheme. So this one is Tsunami with a regular blue, royal blue, black, and white as well. You can just see more of the white in the blue one than you can with the yellow. So it almost kind of looks like they're two separate patterns, but they're from the same family. Tropical Fish has some light blue, teal, white, and kind of a standard yellow, but slightly warmer, I would say, than a regular yellow. Mermaid is one of the color changing cords. It has some teal, neon green, blue with some really dark gray specks. This bundle actually kind of looks like they're almost black specks in there. And you can kind of see a little bit of a hue shift from the neon greens to the teals in there as well. Kind of a subtle shift, but Pixel Noise, I feel like you've seen on the last like 3 orders, but it's not technically marketed as a color changing cord, but you can kind of see that it does shift a little from the pink to the teal hues. It's pixelated with all sorts of colors, pinks, white, red, blue, teal, and kind of an indigo color in there as well. So very busy color. And then the last one I have is a hot pink and orange line stripe pattern. It is a little tricky to actually see the lines specifically in this cord because they are both kind of a bright color. But I did have my other cord that I'm kind of replacing for it. This one is called Hang 10. Still a pink and orange line, but this one seems to be a little bit more neon. So it is very vibrant and probably the hardest color for me to edit on my software. But yeah, we'll be probably carrying the hot pink and orange more often than the really vibrant one. But that's all I got in this box this time. As you all know where to find me on my socials, check the video description for a coupon to earn like 20% off of your order over $50 at Atwood. And yeah, I hope you have a wonderful day and week ahead. Take care.